Welcome to our short Fraunhofer IPMS tutorials. Let me show you some key features of our TSN time-sensitive network IP course on this demonstrator. It shows a network with one central switch, two switched endpoints in a ring, and an additional endpoint. As you can see on the data from our oscilloscope, each device sends a 1 pulse per second signal, synchronized with a precision of around 10 nanoseconds, utilizing GPTP 2020. If you now disconnect one cable from the master switch to a switched endpoint, the precise synchronization remains stable for the remaining network devices, a successful proof of redundancy. When you now disconnect the cable between the master switch and the endpoint, the synchronization of the endpoint gets lost. After connecting the cable again, the endpoint synchronizes immediately again with the master switch signal. These features will give you the necessary time precision for your network if you need real-time communication mixed with high data rates. If you want to know more about our TSN IP course, please visit our Fraunhofer IPMS website.